Oh. Your title of the activity. The title of the activity.
Liquid occupies space.
Sige. Oh. First step.
Is stones, water, glass.
Oo. Sige na.
And then put it in the glass and water.
Sige. You pour it down. Oh, careful. Hawak mo yung glass. Oh. And then, next, oh. Anong napansin mo nung ina-add mo yung water?
Is blood.
No, that is not a blood. That is a water. Color red. That's why it just like the same with blood. O, pero anong napansin mo? Does liquid occupy space? Yes or no?
Yes.
Oo, kasi kanina 'di ba ito, empty. Tapos ngayon may laman na, 'di ba? Next. Put some stones or gems kasi wala tayong pupulot pa tayo, umuulan sa labas. Careful sige. What happens when you put stones?
Is
Sa Tagalog, kahit Tagalog.
Is up.
Up or it floats yung water kasi nga naglagay ka na ng stones o add more stones pa. So ayan, anong tawag dyan sa mga natapon?
Is empty.
Empty? Spills.
Spills.
Opo. So anong napansin mo? Do it on the other other glass. Careful.
No.
Careful.
Okay.
Add more stones. Di ba? What happens na? What happened na? What happens?
Is up.
So, it fills up, no?
Yes.
So, nag-add siya yung solid. Solid ba yung stones? Solid yon?
Yes.
Oo, solid. So, 1 cup. Pwede mo bang i-measure ang Pwede mo bang i-measure ang liquid?
Yes.
By using, anong tawag dyan?
It's measuring cup.
Very good. So, anong conclusion mo? Anong napag-aralan mo sa activity natin?
Is liquid occupies space.
Liquid occupies space. Di ba tulad niyan? Pag pinagsama mo ang red at blue, anong color yung nabuo? Pag pinagsama mo yung
Goodness.
blue at saka red, anong color nabuo? Anong color yan?
Is purple.
Very good, Matmat. Are you enjoying?
Yes.
Di ba? Just like your crayons, you can use that. If you don't have any violet or purple, you can use the combination of red and what color is that? Red and
purple.
yes, red and blue. The combination of red and blue. Sige.
Mami, tama to.
Kulang pa ng isang S. With. Hindi with. Matigas. With. With. TH. With. Water. Walang D. With lang. TH lang. Water.
Ako na.
Oo na.